Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to make iPhone 15 vibrate even on silent mode. Now this works for all iPhone 15s including the Pro and the Pro Max. And by default, typically the iPhone 15, when you unbox it, doesn't have the vibration setting turned on by default. So I'm going to show you where we can go and ensure that vibration works no matter what, even if you're in silent mode. And as you can see, I'm currently in silent mode on this iPhone 15. So the first thing we want to go ahead and do is open settings on our device. And once we go to settings, we're going to then scroll down until we see the option for accessibility right here. Go ahead and tap on accessibility. And then once we get to accessibility, we're then going to take this option here under physical and motor called touch. So we want to go ahead and tap there and select that. And then we're going to just go ahead and scroll down until we see vibration. We want to make sure that this is toggled on, and moving forward, you should have vibration working even when you're in silent. And the way that you're going to know that this works is once you toggle this on, you're going to feel this. Like I just felt this vibrate just slightly when I turned this on. So you should see the same thing happen when you're in silent mode. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And if so, feel free to give me a like. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Take care.